Done revolves already. Let's try to do a different type of shape. So I have these guys here. Now what I can do is I can delete the source shapes for my new curve. So notice how I selected them individually so that I don't mess with them anymore. A lot of times, you could always turn on to delete source shapes when you're creating in the options menu. But anyway, I would just want to use this shape here. So let me go ahead and duplicate this, and I'll go to edit and duplicate, and then I'll move this guy up here. So we'll move this guy up here, and then we'll want to make some kind of modification here. So for now, I'm just going to shrink him down, right? Let's just shrink him down. And so I'll scale this guy down. So the next type of surface we want to make here is a loft. So I'll select the two, and you want to select them in order, and then say surface, and we want to do a loft. So there's my loft. Now notice this sort of, it's got the same inside out thing here. So we'll just do the surface reverse direction. And so there's one type of loft that we did, right? We just did one to another. But we don't have to only do two shapes. So let's delete this again. And we'll go ahead and make a third one. And so you can make as many as you want, right? I'll go ahead and say edit, duplicate. And then I can really modify this shape if I want to. But I want to do it probably in the top view so that I don't move the points up and down. I probably want to only move them in the Z and X axis since I drew it from that angle. So I'll want to do that by manipulating some of these points. And maybe I'm just reshaping this guy here in a different kind of way. So remember, you can rotate or scale or do whatever you want to the point. So I can actually scale these down and move that over. And then there's my other shape. So I want to go back to the object mode, right, by clicking there. And then I want to go into the other view so I can see all the things I'm selecting. So after that, I can select 1, 2, 3. Make sure you select them in order, and then go to surface, loft, and there you go. There's another type of shape that you can make. And reverse direction. So there you can see, you can make a lot of different types of shapes using the lofting technique.